Just showing. I had to go and get, but they got the biscuits. The crows got the biscuits. So they're so happy. Brought the woman one over by the looks of it, feeding her by beak. So cool. Yeah. Rich tea biscuits. There she goes, flapping. Just about to see it at that angle. Sorry, everyone. Live action. The rain stopped for the time being. It's supposed to be a bit sunny later. We'll see how it goes. They're going around there. We can't really see. Well, if anything else happens, I'll refilm it. But they got the bickies. I'm so glad about that. 3 males, 1 female. Have a good day. Bye. Yeah. Munchies. There she goes up, beak. Oh, he's coming back over for a bit more. See what else there is. I'm not going to stop camera. It's rolling now, isn't it? See what if I can get this out at this angle. Sorry if it's not doing right, but let's give them some more. Oh. Bit fruit and nut there. Go and give that to her. Where's she gone? Where's she gone? There are nuts. Nutties and raisins. Fruity. No, she's asked him for it. She's asked him for more food. Yeah, go and take care of that. Go on. Oh, they've noticed. They have noticed that they got the fruity biscuits. They're gonna come over now. Adelanto is coming over here. What's all this about nuts? The fruity ones. Missing out at the cafe. Oh, they will come running now. Look. Oh, look, grab all those nuts before they come and eat.